Namaste, and welcome back to Nandini. Let us continue our journey through the Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 1. The 15th verse now gives identity to the sound. Not just noise, but intention. Panchajanyam Rishikesho Devadattam Dhananjaya Pondram Dadmo Mahashankham Bhim Karma Vrikodara. Krishna blew the Panchajanya. Arjuna sounded the Devadatta, and Bhima blew the great conch Paundra. Notice the shift here. Each conch has a name. Each sound carries identity. This is not chaos, this is declaration. And this is where it connects deeply to our modern lives. Today we are constantly surrounded by noise, social media, opinions, comparisons, and the pressure to fit in. Everyone is speaking. Everyone is trying to be heard, but very few are speaking from clarity. Just like on the battlefield, the difference is not in the volume. It is in the source. Krishna, Arjuna, and Bhima are not trying to prove anything. They are simply expressing who they are. And that is the real lesson. In our lives, when we are unsure, we tend to copy, compete, or over-explain. But when we are clear within, our actions become simple, direct, and powerful. You don't need to be louder than others. You need to be aligned with yourself, because real impact does not come from noise. It comes from authenticity. This was Shloka 15, a reminder that knowing who you are is your greatest strength. The war outside reflects the war within. Stay with us as we continue this sacred unfolding. Jai Shri Krishna.